Hi, I'm talking to Lee Thomas from Molex about some new products. Lee, OneBlade, could you just tell me a little bit more about that product and give it a description for the viewers?
Sure, Greg. OneBlade is a 1 millimeter pitch wire to board system, single row, available in 2 to 8 circuits in either vertical or right angled orientations.
Okay, and the purpose of that product, what are we looking at?
Being a wire to board connector system, it's designed for connecting external devices to a printed circuit board.
Okay, and where would we see that kind of application scenario, Lee?
This type of product will find homes in things like devices for the connected home, home appliances, portable devices, and even things like routers and servers.
Okay, and in terms of the importance of that product from Molex perspective and maybe our customers, do you want to expand on that?
Yeah, this is a really innovative product, Greg. We're really excited about this product, and the main innovation comes in the header. And whether you want to use this in a right angled or a vertical configuration, the header is actually the same part. The solder tab actually either serves as a fitting nail in the vertical orientation to help with board retention, or if you turn it vertically, then or horizontally, sorry, then it becomes the actual solder tail. Um, you do order it in separate part numbers because obviously it has to be put in the tape and reel packaging in the orientation that the customer wants it to come out on. But fundamentally, it's exactly the same part.
OneBlade wire-to-board connector system is available from RS Components.